DoHonest Baby Car Camera, 360 degrees baby monitoring magic for smooth rides and stress-free parenting. No more backseat guessing games. Keep your eyes on the road and your mind at ease with the DoHonest Baby Car Camera V9. With its HD 1080p video and a 7-inch display, you'll have a crystal clear view of your little ones in the back seat without ever needing to turn around. This baby car camera saves you time, reduces stress, and brings safety to a whole new level. Easy, breezy installation in 3 minutes. Setting up the DoHonest Baby Camera is so simple, even your toddler could do it. With USB plug-and-play technology and straps for a secure fit, you can install this camera in under 3 minutes, seriously. Just strap it to the headrest, plug it into the lighter adapter or USB, and you're ready to roll. Say goodbye to complicated installations and hello to instant peace of mind. 360 degrees rotating camera. See all the action. Why settle for a static baby monitor when you can have 360 degrees vision? The DoHonest V9's rotating camera ensures you can easily monitor 2 or more kids with its 150-degree wide-angle view. Plus, it's equipped with night vision, so whether it's bright daylight or pitch-black night, you'll always get a sharp, clear view of your precious cargo. Superior image quality. No blurs, no stress. Tired of grainy, blurry baby monitors? The DoHonest Baby Car Camera blows the competition out of the water with its HD 1080p resolution and no-fuss brightness, contrast, and color controls. You'll get vivid, true-to-life colors, so you can monitor your baby with ease, even on those long, late-night drives. Plus, the 7-inch monitor provides a large, stable display that won't shake or vibrate, keeping your view clear at all times. Affordable, durable, and built to last. Don't break the bank for peace of mind. The DoHonest Baby Car Camera is priced for families who want top-tier tech without the premium price tag. Built with durability in mind, this camera will be your backseat companion for the long haul, making it a sound investment for any parent. Durable, reliable, and packed with features, it's the ultimate baby travel essential you didn't know you needed.